Hey, what's up, guys? It's Daniel with Thompson & Sons Landscaping. I just wanted to stop real quick, make a quick video. We've been mowing, it's late, it's hot, but we're at a house right now where we just did a sod job a little while back, in like 2 weeks, probably maybe a month, but it went really well. I haven't always had like the best outcomes with sod in the past, so I was like, while I'm here, I want to just make a video real quick, kind of let you guys know what we did, what worked for us, and show you the outcome. And a thing to keep in mind here is that we're in 100-degree heat every day, so it's hot. I'm in South Texas, and it's very hard to grow sod in temperatures like this because it just burns, and so I want to kind of let you know the water settings that we have it on, the irrigation settings, and show you what it did. So we tore out this guy's yard. Was completely wrecked. We tore out his whole front yard with a sod cutter, cut it out, so that was pretty tough. So we did that, and then we brought in 5 yards of a sandy loam topsoil and spread it about 1.5 to 2 inches thick, just graded it out real nice. His yard's on the slope, you'll see, so we just kind of started at the top and pulled it down, and then just laid the sod. And we're watering 10 minutes a day, twice a day, so early in the morning and late in the evening, 10 minutes each station. I don't know if I'm not saying that's like the perfect watering number or not, that's just what works for us. But so with that being said, I want to show you, I'm pretty excited about, if I can get this thing to turn around. Hey, doing good, and you? Awesome. Oh my gosh. Anyway, whatever, I'll show you like this. So this is what we've got now. Like I say, not even a month. I hope you can see that well, because I can't turn my stupid camera around for whatever reason. Oh well. So that's what we've got. It's on the slope, kind of, if you can see. Kind of slopes down, you probably can't tell, but anyway, it looks good. There's a spot where it is not doing so good. I really wish I could turn this thing around. Sorry about that. There's a little brown spot, if you can see right there, where the sprinkler system actually wasn't hitting it, so we had to come out and redo the irrigation. But other than that, that's the only spot that's not doing good. And I want to show you, if I get you to see, a good way to tell if your sod is doing any good or not is to get down in here and pull it up. I don't know if you can see that root system, probably can't, but when you got roots going like that, then you know you're in good shape. Anyway, just thought I'd show you guys that real quick. Pretty awesome. Have a great day.